Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks. Saturday, July the 22nd. Tonight we are breaking head knockers. Head knockers are our own exclusive helmet product, only available on our channel, whether it be YouTube, Twitch, or breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks. We did pick your division sales for this, a little unusual for us. As you can see in the upper right, everybody's already picked the divisions. We got everybody paid up, and here we go. Going slice through our seals. So it's this way, folks. Get that box out of the way. Alright guys, are you ready? All ready, folks? Boom! Folks! Wow, I don't know if y'all can see that. That is going to be a ram hit. It is going to be Captain Kurt, folks. Now that is a Captain Kurt. That's not a girly, folks. That is a Captain Kurt. At least that's what the SIG looks like to me, but let me double check. Yes, it is, guys. And again, you can see that, at the top there, just a little bit thinner than the rest, but it's a wonderful, 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 amazing SIG. It has Hall of Fame 17. It's got the Super Bowl MVP inscription all the way up the ram horn there, guys. That is a badass little helmet. Love that ram helmet, folks. Not a bad hit for you guys, man. I'm telling you, it does have a little bit of a thing on the little, but there you go, folks, man. Badass helmet, folks. Got a wonderful SIG. Kurt does a great SIG. Really, 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 really nice hit. So, what team is that? What division? NFC West, right? NFC West. That is going to be an NW hit, right? So, there you go, and a nice Captain Kurt for you. It's going to wrap up that one box pick your division head knockers, folks. Captain Kurt, have a good one.